Step 1. Choose a board game that genuinely interests you. This will make the learning process more enjoyable and motivating. Step 2. Find the official rulebook online or in the game box. A digital copy allows for easier searching and referencing. Step 3. Read the rulebook thoroughly, paying close attention to the game's objective, components, and setup instructions. Step 4. Set up the game according to the rulebook's instructions. This helps visualize the game and understand component placement. Step 5. Go through a sample turn or two by yourself. Simulate actions for different players to understand turn structure. Step 6. Watch a video tutorial of someone playing the game. Seeing the game in action clarifies any confusing rules. Step 7. Make notes of any rules you find confusing or unclear. Refer back to these while playing for quick clarification. Step 8. Play a practice game, even if it's solo, focusing on the core mechanics and rules, not necessarily winning. Step 9. Teach the game to others. Explaining the rules solidifies your understanding and identifies areas of confusion. Step 10. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. Learn from them and consult the rulebook or online forums for clarification as needed.